As a next-generation Cesium atomic clock, the 5071B gives you autonomous timekeeping for months, even during a global navigation satellite system outage. Following on from the 5071A, which has been the leading time and frequency standard since 1992, the 5071B will ensure continuity of supply well into the next decade. In a compact 3U 19-inch rack-mount enclosure, the 5071B is easier to transport and secure when compared to larger alternatives. The ability to maintain 100 nanosecond holdover for more than 2 months means that a 5G network can remain fully operational for months without GNSS. And with no deterministic long-term frequency drift, the absolute accuracy is 5 times 10 to the power of -13 for the life of the product. This stability supports multiple applications, including military radar, air traffic control, and satellite communications. The commercial 5071B gives you a long-term solution for complex timing and frequency. For more information and to keep up to date with our product launches, contact your microchip representative.